Most people think SEO writing means add keywords, hit publish, and hope it ranks. That's why most content never makes money. This course exists for one reason: to teach you how to write content that ranks on Google and turns traffic into revenue. There are two extremes: SEO first content that's robotic and doesn't convert, and conversion first content that never gets traffic. This course bridges that gap. You'll learn how to reverse engineer what's ranking and understand search intent deeply. Most courses focus on tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, but tools don't rank content. Understanding search engine logic does. In this course, you'll learn how to think like a search engine and write like a high-converting direct response copywriter. You'll combine keyword strategy, SERP engineering, and conversion psychology so your content builds long-term assets. This course is designed for business owners, marketers, and creators who want predictable organic traffic without paid ads. You won't just understand SEO writing. By the end, you'll walk away with a repeatable system to turn traffic into measurable revenue. Search traffic is one of the few assets online that compounds. This course shows you how to build it. Let's get started.